Hi guys, we have been looking at some tea cocktails. If you haven't seen the full version of this, then definitely check it out here. But this is just a really quick and easy boozy iced tea. We're gonna dive right in. We have our little breakfast tea syrup that's been steeping and cooling for a while now. So we'll just give that a strain. So we're gonna go 45 mils of bourbon in there. And then we're gonna go a little 15 mils of apricot brandy. This is obviously optional. If you don't feel like the fruitiness, you don't have to. 20 mils of your tea syrup. Now, obviously that is like a fair amount of sweetness, but the tea does have that kind of bitter tannin to it as well. And then I'm gonna go 30 mils of lemon juice. This one I'm gonna go a little bit fancier. I've got like a little yuzu soda here. If for less sweet, just use regular soda, or if you're happy with it being a little bit sweeter, then go for the lemonade. So we're just gonna go to about halfway in here. Then I'm gonna pop in a little mint sprig. If you don't have that kicking around, then just like some lemon wheels or a lemon wedge, or obviously if you are using like apricot or peaches, feel free to use something like that for your garnish as well. And there we have a little boozy iced tea highball. Man, it just makes, it's not very nice weather here in Melbourne. It makes me wish it was summer. It's really fruity and citrusy, and still has that nice kind of like tea tannin structure through the back there, with obviously fair whack of bourbon in there too. So what's not to like? Boozy iced tea. So now you know.